In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Mailchimp email as a PDF quickly and easily. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you need a copy of your email campaigns for archiving or sharing purposes. Let's get started with the first method. To begin, open up your Mailchimp account and navigate to the campaign you want to download. Once you have your campaign open and ready, you'll be using your keyboard to open the print dialog. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and the letter P together. For Mac users, you'll hold down Command and press P. This key combination will bring up the print dialog box, a familiar sight if you've ever printed anything from your computer. When the print dialog appears, take a look at the section where you see destination or printer. Instead of selecting your usual printer, you'll be choosing the Save as PDF option here. This step essentially reroutes your print job into a document file rather than a physical printout. Once you've selected Save as PDF, go ahead and click the Save button. Your computer will prompt you to choose a folder or a specific location where you want to store this PDF file. Pick a location that's easy to remember and then simply save your file. Voila! Your Mailchimp email is now saved as a PDF on your computer, ready for you to use however you need. Now, let's talk about another approach which involves using your email client. This method can be helpful if you prefer working through your email services such as Gmail, Outlook, or any other email platform. Start by forwarding the Mailchimp email to your own inbox. This step ensures that you have access to the email within your preferred email service, where you might find additional tools or custom settings that are more familiar. Once the email is in your inbox, open it as you would any regular email. Most email clients offer a printing function typically found under Options or Settings for the specific email. Look for a print option and select it. Similar to the first method, you'll again choose Save as PDF. This is usually an option below the printer selection in the print dialog that pops up. Following the same process, click Save and choose where you'd like to store this PDF file on your computer. With these methods, you now have two simple and efficient ways to download your Mailchimp emails as PDF files. It's straightforward, manageable, and offers the flexibility to choose the method that fits best into your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.